Hi guys, today me and Moose are going to be showing you how to hook your Sony camera up to an external display for as cheap as possible. Assuming you have a Sony display that doesn't flip up. Most of us do. So let's see what we got here. I ordered basically the cheapest things I could find off Amazon that would let me do this. And we have a Samsung SyncMaster display that we picked up for free. So we're doing pretty good so far. Old monitors are pretty easy to get for free if you don't care what you want. And that's what we're doing in this video. We're doing it as cheap as we can. So let's see what we got here. Oh, nothing for another video. But we have a micro HDMI, very important. Not the mini, the micro. It's regular HDMI because that's what we want. We have a micro HDMI out on the Sony. And our Samsung here, I thought it had HDMI, but it doesn't. It only has VGA. And as you can see, this cable's HDMI, but this cable was only $6. So we went with it. So also in the bag here, we have these VGA to HDMI screw-on ports. So we're going to pop one of them on the back of our free monitor and take one of these $3 adapters, $3 for two, so we're at about $1.50 so far, and $6, not bad. So $7.50 plus a free monitor. I'm gonna take that, pop the back off here, plug in our VGA to the VGA port, screw these guys in. Always screw your VGAs in. Unless you don't want to, then don't do it. But yeah, and if this works, then you will see what I'm seeing on the screen. Or I guess you'll see what you're seeing on this screen. And I'll be able to see what you're seeing too, because right now I can't. I just see a camera. There we go, that's screwed on there enough. It's fairly tight. This was supposed to be a 6-foot cord. Clearly a 3-foot. Come on, guys. What are they doing to us here? Nice tight connection. I'm gonna go ahead and plug in our power cord. I should have prepped this. Let's pop her into power here. One of our homes here. And make sure she turns on. She's on. Because it was supposed to be a 6-foot cable, we'll have to move the table a little bit closer because it's only 3 feet. And we'll see what happens when we pop her in here. And there we go. It doesn't work. It says check signal cable. So I might have to set something up on the camera. Or maybe I used the wrong adapter. I don't think that makes a difference, but we shall see. Change the input to the right setting, and look at that. We have an external monitor for a Sony camera. Cost us $7.50 or plus however cheap you can get a monitor for. But as you see, it doesn't look bad. Decent quality, shows us without a lag. So yeah, there you go, under $10. You can have yourself an external monitor for your Sony camera. Take care, guys.